Hello folks, welcome to the channel. If you encounter a can't connect to this network error while connecting to the network, then watch this video for the solution. The first solution is to connect to the network using another device. So use your mobile phone or another laptop to connect to the same network. If you can connect to the same network, then there should be a problem with your system settings. But if you can't connect, then there should be a problem with your network itself. In that case, what you need to do is you need to reset the router by clicking on the reset button at the back of the router for around 10 seconds. Keep it pressed and then uh, switch off the router and switch it on again. Switch out the power supply, I mean. And the next solution is to forget and reconnect the Wi-Fi. So I will click on the Wi-Fi button, expand the Wi-Fi options and disconnect, and then after some time I will connect again, and this should solve the issue. If this doesn't solve the issue, then we have a couple of solutions. We will go to device manager and we will update the network drivers. So we'll expand network drivers here, and usually if your network driver is corrupt, then you will get a yellow color apostrophe here on the icon. So you right click on the MediaTek wireless LAN card and you click on update driver. Now the next solution is also to do a Windows update. So right click on the start button, look for settings, click on Windows update, check for updates, and while that is going on, advanced options, optional updates, and update and install any drivers that are here. The next solution is to reset Windows and reset the network, and what we need to do is we right click on start, go to settings, and we'll go to network and internet, and we go to advanced network settings, and we go to network reset and click on reset now, and then restart the computer, and this error should no longer show. If this video helped you, then subscribe to the channel. Enjoy your day.